3, 2,
Bienvenue à Zipline, une entreprise de livraison exceptionnelle que va nous présenter Prosper, le directeur du site de Muhanga.
Welcome to our control tower.
La géographie du Rwanda est très vallonnée, avec des zones difficiles d'accès où le transport par route est très long. Zipline permet ainsi de réduire considérablement le temps de livraison de produits essentiels.
So basically cover north, west and south of the country. So we also have another distribution center here in Kayonza that covers the eastern part of the country.
Avec ses drones, Zipline dessert tout le Rwanda, à l'exception de la capitale Kigali, des zones aéroportuaires du pays et des parcs naturels et animaliers qui ne doivent pas être survolés. Zipline atteint même les îles reculées sur le lac Kivu.
Yeah, so we basically have a software that we call birdwatch that allows us to request clearance without talking to the air traffic controllers. So we also have like our own weather satellite receiver that allows us to predict weather at a different delivery site. We are able to track our drone in real time.
Mais que livre cette entreprise de livraison inhabituelle? Zipline délivre du plasma, des poches de sang et des produits médicaux à expiration rapide ou pour des malades en situation d'urgence dans tout le Rwanda.
Welcome to Muhanga. This is Zipline Muhanga. So we are in southern province of Rwanda, and this is our first commercial distribution center we launched 6 years ago. So we have a variety of blood products and a broad range of medical products. These are basically the boxes we use to pack different products. Yeah, so we have about 130 employees working both distribution centers.
Okay.
So these are the people who are behind the scenes. So the people you see here, they have background in nursing, pharmacist, lab technician, and clinical medicines. So inside this freezer, so we have crab precipitate and a plasma, basically fresh frozen plasma. Yeah, so as you can see, it is frozen. And before Zipline, if our facility needed one of 3 of these products, they had to drive to the nearest blood centers, which could take hours, especially during rainy season. But today, if any products need one of these products, a drone will deliver directly inside the hospital, and the delivery takes about 15 to 45 minutes. Yeah, so we have 2 distribution centers in Rwanda, and we have over 400 health facilities we work with. Yes, on a typical day, so we have 180 deliveries on average as we speak today for one distribution center.
Okay.
Yeah, so we fly in any weather condition. So rain, crazy weather, any weather condition, our drones are 100% autonomous and are able to cope with any weather condition.
And who pays for the service?
So the government pays the cost of transport, and the hospitals and farmers, they don't have to pay anything.
Mais la véritable motivation de Prosper et de son équipe ne réside pas tant dans l'impressionnante technologie déployée par Zipline que dans l'inestimable et essentiel service rendu à toutes les populations du Rwanda, pour se soigner, pour se guérir et survivre en cas d'urgence. Zipline entretient ainsi de véritables lignes de vie pour tout le pays.
Yeah, so basically scan both the package and the body to associate the box to the destination. And then we load the package like that. Yeah, and then after we close the doors.
Le corps du drone est chargé des produits médicaux à parachuter, puis il est déposé sur la rampe de lancement. Les ailes, la batterie et l'avant de l'appareil sont ensuite fixés ensemble avant la vérification électronique et visuelle. Et c'est parti pour un lancement très impressionnant. Le drone est prêt à rejoindre sa destination pour larguer sa marchandise.
This is launch. The drone moves from 0 to over 100 kilometers per hour in half of a second. And during this process, the drone does 8 Gs of acceleration, which is 8 times normal force of gravity. So doing this way allows us to extend the delivery range, and so we are able to serve as many facilities as possible.
Spinning Launching seat 1165, 3, 2.
So these are our batteries. So they have got lights, as you can see, to track whether the battery is free charge or not. And also the battery is like black box of the drone.
Depuis le premier type de drone utilisé sur ce site, les versions se sont améliorées tant au niveau de la légèreté et de la résistance des matériaux utilisés qu'en ce qui concerne la distance parcourue par les appareils.
And did you ever lose a drone?
Never, never, because so our drone has safety features that allows, for example, if it has like a technical problem, it will detect and say, okay, I'm unable to go to the hospital or health center or to a sector, let me go back to the distribution center.
Et effectivement, les drones reviennent toujours à la maison.
There you go.
Zipline Muhanga, c'est 38 drones, plus de 100 livraisons par jour, avec une capacité journalière de 300 livraisons.
But since we started, we made over 500,000 of deliveries.
500,000 deliveries?
Yes, since we started. So you can see how many people benefited from this. Since we started, we were able to reduce in hospital maternity death by 88%.
Zipline RWANDA continue de déployer ses services autour des produits vétérinaires. Qui sait quels produits survoleront le Rwanda demain pour servir les zones les plus inaccessibles du pays?